welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about PR packages that I got. It is really exciting because when I start to roll my Instagram, I didn't think I was gonna get this far. So obviously now I feel like super special because so many different brands are wanting to work with me. Not only they want to work with me just one time, they want me to stick with them, and I want to stick around too. I feel really blessed because even though some of the brands are new to the market, I'm doing something good. I am exposing their brand with the hope that in the future it's going to be as amazing as Fashion Nova or Miss Lola, or I don't know. There's so many brands in the market right now that it will be impossible just to name them all, but these are the few really popular ones that I've seen on the gram. Anyways, I don't want to make you wait, guys, so let's get to work. First of all, we have these sweatshirts, really cute, and the material, the fabric is really good too. On the inside, if you see, it has like this kind of like cotton material, so it's really cozy for those spring times, fall times. Is awesome. This store name is FISHIKII USA. You can find it right here, and this is a USA store, but they're originally from Spain. When you check right here the name of the brand and everything, you can see that it was made in Barcelona. It was made in Barcelona, Spain. So it's super cute. I seriously love this. If you follow me on Instagram, you can tell that I love them because I've posted myself wearing this dress a couple hundred times, and I usually post it in my stories as well. So I really like it, and they have so many different designs for like bikinis and clothes and main clothes, and like it's just all so cute and different. Next we have this cool hangover prevention drinks, I would say. I mean, it's like a powder that you mix in water and then you drink it, and you're supposed to drink it before going to a party and have some, you know. The brand or the company that makes this is called VIVE, and this is the presentation of their product. As you can see, I don't know if maybe it's a little bit too bright, but it's a hangover prevention. I haven't used them yet, but I heard really good stories about it, so I definitely want to try it. I mean, I have some parties coming soon, so I think this is gonna be a great thing to use. And this is how the package is. So you're supposed to mix this with water. I don't really see. Okay, so it says mix into 8 to 10 ounces of water. Take before or during partying. Do not exceed 2 servings per day, and does not prevent or affect intoxication. That's something that you will have to prevent yourself. So how this works is like when you get drunk, when you drink a lot of alcohol, your body dehydrates. This is what is going to prevent that from happening. So if you take one of this before going to the party or while getting wild, this is pretty much going to save your life. So this is their Instagram, and you can check them out over there. Next, I have this skincare routine that I'm not gonna lie, I've been using for a couple days now, and I love it. I also have something that I use in the shower, so I'll be right back. I'm back. This skincare routine is by REVIVA, And it is a company that makes everything very, very, very natural for your skin, because as you know, many of the products that are in the market these days are very damaging for your skin. So this is pretty cool. I literally use this as a religion. This is a cleansing milk. It's a deep pore cleansing. It is a complex of herbal oil. I seriously love it. Every time I wear makeup, I use this as well, because it does say that it works as a makeup remover. So there you go. Everyone wins. This is just perfect, and it is made in the USA. Sent me this brown spot night gel, which has glycolic acid, and it works really good. I've been using this. You're supposed to use this one combined with another one. I mean, not combined, but like one day you're gonna use this and the other day you're gonna use this. So what I do is like I use this once or twice a week, and then I use this like once or twice a week. And this is a brown spot night cream with kojic acid, which is a brightening. It brightens up your skin. And I have like, I don't know, traveling around the world is like my skin never wants to be happy with myself ever since I moved and ever since I left Venezuela. So I always had to struggle with change of the weather. So I had some acne, and then it goes away and it comes back, depends on the season. But then I have some like brown spots, stuff that I don't like. I'm not proud of it, you know, so I always try to cover it with makeup, and this is one of the things that have made my face a little bit more like clear. So I'm gonna post a picture right now of the before and after. Start using it. That's probably like a week ago or something like that. So here you can see, like in the first picture, you can notice my face is kind of like brownish, have some like dark spots, some pimples I have and stuff. So yeah, let's move to the other thing. I don't want to keep talking about my acne. Then they sent me a brown spot brightening night cream, and this one you're supposed to use in every little mark that you have on your skin. Like, you're not gonna use it all over your face. You're supposed to just put it in those little spots, which is cool because that means that that's going to last me for a while, I guess. And then this is the size, is 1.5 ounces, and it's honestly pretty big. None of the products smell like anything, to be honest. It's everything is like a neutral smell, kind of like when you buy creams for babies. That's how it smells. Hold on. It's my mom. Hola. It was my mom. I'm sorry. Can't say no to my mom. Are you kidding me? She'll literally kill me. And then they sent me as well the skin brightener, the day cream too, so I can put in my dark spots in the day. And it's actually really cool because then it's a complete treatment of it. And on top of that, they sent me the dark spot brightening serum. So this serum I can use literally every time I want. Moving on to the next. This is something that I love and I lived for, and I did a complete review video on this product. So if you want to check on that video, I'm gonna leave the link on the description box as well. Just as all the products that I'm showing right now, I'm gonna leave the link on the description box so you can go and check them out. It's amazing. Literally, this have helped me so freaking much on my journey on trying to find the best way to sleep at night, because I suffer from insomnia. If you follow me, you know that I'm always saying that, and this is the only thing that has actually helped me. And now I have a new version that I have not tried yet, but I'm so excited to try because supposedly you don't need water for this. So I guess you just... and that's it. But the difference between this one and the other one is huge. Here is the difference. This is a shot. It's like literally water. It's already mixed and whatever. And this one is just a little package that you will drink 15-30 minutes before you go into bed. And it does say that if this one didn't work right away, you can take another one, or if you were interrupted on your way to try to fall asleep, you can take another one of this. But I know for a fact that this little bottle put me to sleep in literally 10 minutes. I love that. If I could divorce my husband and marry something else, I'll marry this. This is life. But then I'm really excited about these ones. I actually gave a couple to some of my family so they can try it, because I cannot believe how good it is. You can find them on Instagram. This is her Instagram. And then yes, I'm really excited. So if you want to know more about this, I'll just tell you to go and check them out. And the next thing is something really pretty, and I'm wearing it already. This beautiful ring from Modern Gents Trading Co. I think it's just fabulous. It's fantastic. It's a beautiful ring, and it's not only beautiful, but it's affordable. If you guys are thinking of getting engaged, this is one of the options. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a real diamond. The reason why I love this ring is because I have my real ring, but I'm always scared that I'm gonna lose it. I always have to wear a different ring on my ring when I go out, when I go on a trip, when I go to my work, because I tend to like do so many things with my hands that I don't really want to lose it. So this is just a perfect fit, as you can see. So it's really beautiful. I have gotten so many compliments about this ring. It's just insane. Like, some people can kind of mistaken for a real diamond, which is awesome. And I think on the website was like $100 and something, and they were having a discount code that I cannot remember, but I'm gonna check, and if it's still available, I'm gonna put it on the box below too. It's not only rings for girls. You can also find rings for your wedding bands, for example. You can find them on the online store, and this is their Instagram, so you can check them out there too. It's just beautiful. It's well made. I am really glad these amazing brand decided to work with me, because it's just awesome. But look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. What can I say? I just love it. I love it. Okay guys, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. It's always fun talking to you guys through this video. In my next video, we're gonna be reviewing a brand with a skincare product too. I'm excited to try, so please just stay around with me. And if you're new to the community, just please subscribe to my channel, and I love you.